Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to organize projects in GetStencil. Here's how you can organize a project in GetStencil to stay efficient and manage a design effectively. First of all, open up a preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard where all your saved designs are stored. Go to the saved image. Your dashboard will display a thumbnail of your previous project and you can scroll through to find any design you need to work on. While GetStencil doesn't have dedicated folders within the platform itself, you can manually organize a project by adding it to the collection. Hover your mouse to the project and click on the three lines here. After that, go to Collections tab and click on Create New Collection. Here, type the name of your collection and click on the Create button. After that, go to the collection tabs and you can find this here. If you want to add the same project to a collection, you can go to the three lines here and after that select it. Periodically check your project to make sure everything is organized. You can update design name or move design to folder if you start using multiple categories. Although GetStencil doesn't currently support complex folder system, using these naming strategies and organizational method can help you stay on top of your project. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.